Hello everyone, welcome to one of my famous walk and talks where today we are talking about principle 86 of 100 ways to motivate yourself. And this one is to read mystery novels. Now, what is this all about? Is this 86 or 87? I think we're on 87 here, sorry. 87. Waltz, here we are, 87. So, walk and talk. What is this principle all about? Reading mystery novels, okay. Well, the idea here is basically that if you read clue-filled mystery novels, not just, violent kind of murder mystery novels, that you can boost your IQ. Now, some data supports this, some data does not. So take this principle as you kind of feel like taking it, because that's probably how you should. It's a little debatable on how much this one actually boosts your IQ. Now, if you love to read mysteries, go for it. I guess I just have some caution about it because I am not really a mystery person. I don't like reading mystery novels very much. I don't find them super enjoyable. Sometimes there is a good one and such, but I just find them to not be as fun as other books. They're a lot more, I don't know, I always like more comedy or more like self-help kind of stuff than mysteries. So I just don't really like mysteries, but if you guys like mysteries, then go ahead and read some mysteries, because those can be good for your IQ to some degree. Now, IQ will not actually measure your true potential and performance in life, so it's kind of a flawed measure in the first place. But, intelligence never hurts in most situations. So, I don't know, I just find this principle to be pretty controversial. Maybe that's just because I don't really like mysteries, so whatever. If you like mysteries, go for it. Use this principle. If not, don't. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. So I'll see you guys next time with our next principle. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.